Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve an interesting array problem. The problem statement is given an array of integer, your task is to return the smallest and second smallest element in the array. If the smallest and second smallest do not exist, return -1. Right? So the problem statement is saying that we have given an array. For example, it is 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, right? So you can see that in the array the first smallest number is 2 and the second smallest number is 3, right? And then we have to return the first smallest and second smallest number. The question is that, and we have to return then f comma s. That is our answer we have to return. And if second element doesn't exist, then we have to return -1. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Now, the first idea comes in your mind is that let's sort the array. When we sort the array, then array will become like this: 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, right? And then return AR of 0 and AR of I, right? And what if there is duplicate in the array? If there is two, then um, what if when it has duplicate, it will become like this 2 2. And now you can see that now the second element is 2, right? Not air of 1. It is air of 1. So you can see that if we are returning array of 0 and array of 1, the second element is not 2. Second smallest element is 4 here, right? So we have to, after sorting the array, we have to traverse the array. We traverse from I is equals to 0 to I smaller than array of size. And if if we found the if we found a smallest number not equal to array of I, then with at that time we assign second smallest element is equals to array of I, and then we return the answer, right? So let's execute the code. First we have to sort the array dot begin comma array dot end. Then we can say int first is equals to array of 0, and second we can say is equals to int max. We haven't assigned that. Then we traverse the array. We traverse from int I is equals to 0, I smaller than ar of dot size, then I plus plus. If array of I is not equal to first. At that time, we assign second is equals to array of I, and at that time it will break the for loop, and then we return first, comma, second, right? And you have to see that in the question we have given that if smallest and second smallest do not exist, then we have to return -1. So we have to apply the condition if I first, if second is equals to int max, at that time we have to return -1. Let's execute the code. Okay. Do not convert -1. And yeah, we have to convert it with array. -1. Let's see. Now you can see that our code is successfully compiled, right? Let's submit the code. Now you can see that it is successfully submitted.